Hey, today I'm going to share with you how to make this lovely wedding centerpiece. When you want to have a wedding on a budget, making your own centerpiece can be life-saving. It's also just a nice DIY project anyone can make and use to decorate your beautiful events. So you'll need one wood slab that's 8 inches wide, 2 bottles, could be wine bottles, any bottle, then cotton cords that are 1.5 millimeter wide, A5 wide thick paper, markers, and we're going to need scissors, of course, and a ruler to get us going, with a candle in a jar with hot glue gun, and we're going to get these ribbons, beads, thin thread, a 1-inch wide jute ribbon, and decorative border punch. These are just to decorate and are optional. So we're going to start with the 2 glass bottles we have. We're going to apply a lot of glue at the very bottom of the bottle. You want to make sure it's there for a couple lines of the cord. That's just to make sure that really the cord sits in there and doesn't move. So we need a strong base like for everything else. So we're going to just do that for a couple lines, but afterwards all you want to do is add a few drops around the bottle, just like that, and that should hold our cord. You just continue doing that. Make sure to squish the cords together to fully cover the bottle, and sometimes you will see that a lot of space is actually left, and all we want to do is just wrap the cord around the places where gaps are. You don't need to apply any of the glue or anything. It should be fun. It will actually create a little bit of texture on the bottle as well and make it a little more interesting. Now, once we reach the edges of the bottle where the shape of it is changing, we want to apply much more glue to make sure that the cord sticks and stays in there. Otherwise, it will move around. So apply a lot of glue around the place, and you want to make sure that it just really sticks in there. So be generous. Now do exactly the same thing with another bottle, and we have half of our centerpiece. I'm going to take our wood slab and basically apply as much of the glue to the bottoms of the bottles, and then just place them and secure them to the wooden slab. Make sure the bottles don't sit too close next to each other. You want to nicely balance the centerpiece so it looks beautiful. Either way, we're going to take our candle jar and we're going to just apply the burlap to the very bottom. This is just a little decoration to make the centerpiece look nice, and we're going to secure it to the bottom of the wooden slab. Make sure the centerpiece is well balanced. I'm going to take my piece of paper, make sure it's thick. We're going to draw a line at around 2 inches wide. We're going to cut it out and then draw another line at 6-7 inches. So we have this little piece of paper. We're going to then bend it in a half. This is why it's important it's thick, because it's actually our table number. And then I'm going to use my border punch to make little nice ornaments at the very edges, and then all you have to do is draw the number, and that's it. Our table number is done. Once you do that, you can also make a circle and get creative with your shapes. You can really do any shape for the table. This is where you can just dream of anything you want and make the centerpiece your own. If you want to make your table numbers even more interesting, let's take some beads, add them to a little thread, and then cut the edges of the table number. And here you go, you can hang the beads and make it look a little nice, a little more special, a little more sparkly. Who wouldn't like it? So here we go, we're done with this wedding centerpiece. It's truly a beautiful decoration anyone can make on a budget For more tutorials like this, please like this video and subscribe. And also go to craftyhacks.com for more ideas.